Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about polar coordinates. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta and y equals to r sine theta. Now, if I put about x squared plus y squared in here, you got about r squared sine, cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. We have r squared and r squared. We can do about factorization. And this one you got about number 1. So we just have only r squared. Next, we have dy dx. We need to change into r dr d theta. Now, we need to consider about the bounds in here. We see that dy is between from 0 and the square root of 9 minus s squared. So, we have y equals to the square root of 9 minus s squared. So we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So I need to put this one go to the left. And we see that this is about the circle with r equals to the square root of number 9. That's about number 3. And the center is about 0, 0. Now, we need to wrap about this one. So we see that y is greater than number 0 and smaller than the square root of 9 minus s squared. So that should be about this area in here. And they start from negative number 3 to positive number 3. That's it from here to here. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. Now, we start in here is about number 0. If we go 0 to here, that is about b. And now we can put the new bounds and new function in here. S squared plus y squared we change by r squared. Dy dx we change by this one. About dr, we see that that's about from 0 to number 3. And d theta, that's it from 0 to b. Now we need to calculate about this one. So the square root of r squared you got about r. R with r we have r squared. The integration of r squared we have r to the power of 3 over 3. And then I need to put the bounds from 0 to number 3. So I need to put number 3 and number 0 cone here. So we calculate about this one and you got about number 9. This one is so simple. That's about 9b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.